nice view. Is it worth it? I guess because you don't have to drive those 600 miles or kilometers. So I think it's okay.
Skagway! Pascualito! How beautiful!
Look at this, where we go.
So this is engine number 1 from the White Pass and Yukon route. It's a snowblower engine. It's probably the most infamous saloon and brothel in town. You know what a brothel is?
No.
Like a whorehouse.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they still do.
They still do whorehousing?
Yeah. Yeah.
They do?
Yeah. Well, they
Really?
tours upstairs.
Uh-huh.
That building is the Arctic Brotherhood Fraternal Hall.
What is this? All
Covered in driftwood. Yeah. Over 8,000 pieces of driftwood.
beautiful.
Yeah. So the Arctic Brotherhood Fraternal Hall over there on the left. That's basically, it's our visitor center nowadays, but it used to be kind of the gathering point where everybody would come together. And the people who joined the Arctic Brotherhood Fraternal Hall vowed to look out for each other in the harsh climate and weather conditions. They would help each other with medicine and things like burial costs if someone died, things like that. This is the mascot, a restored saloon that's famous from the Gold Rush era.
But this is a real saloon still, or?
No, it's just a museum.
But the other one is real?
The other one's real.
Oh, okay.
It operates, yeah.
And is it a place where people usually go here, or is it only for tourists?
No, during the day it's for tourists, and then the cruise ships leave, and at night it's actually a fun place. They do dance night, they have all kinds of shows there and stuff.
It's really pretty here.
The Skagway Hardware Company is our version of Walmart. Their motto is, if we don't have it, you don't need it.
Okay.
Yeah. At the very end here, the Skagway Brewing Company, that's another local favorite. So if the Red Onion Saloon is closed down, this is a great place to go.
And they are gonna be open
Well,
Monday, Thursday. No.
Yeah, it's us closed. Yeah. That was the historic downtown part. Now we're out of the Klondike Gold Rush National Historic Park.
So this is home.
Yeah, this is the suburbs.
Suburbs. Okay.
Yeah. Brian Reddington right there. He's a 10-time Iditarod finisher.
What?
Iditarod, the world's toughest sled dog race.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Thanks for the tour.
You're welcome.
And you're gonna be on YouTube sooner or later, if you like. If you don't,
yeah, no, it's all good.
All
yeah,
good.
we're you can follow us on Instagram. We're the Traveling Cousins.
All right.
So,
okay, cool. We will.
Right.
See you later.
All right.
Look what Basco was thinking that he was smelling too good or not so good for his wort, and what he did was we went to walking down there, and there is some dead fish, and what he did was roll himself on the floor under that fish. You don't have the idea how this smells horrible. Right now he will for sure take a shower because it's unbelievable how bad he smells. And let's see, we will use our outside shower, what is nice too. And yeah, let's do it. Right, Fabian?
Let's do it.
My one is clean, one was not a permanent. Basco just took a shower, now he's better. And Basco? Yeah, now they ate, and it's time to go to bed, ladies. Look the view.
Just had to stop here just for the overview. It's gonna be here Skagway from above. There's like a point and then you can see the town of Skagway. Beautiful. Just in between those mountains. Really nice.
Look at this. He has an aircon. This is really nice. A window. And that's it. We are in Skagway. Walking a little around this morning. It's a little fresh, the weather. Most of the business in October are closed. Fresh water, nice. Passa. Super. Last day in Alaska. We are driving from Skagway to now direction White Horse. Look how beautiful it is. I think now he's stuck.
You see, it's always different.